In this guide, we are going over the best stands here in Bizarre Lineage on Roblox and which ones are actually worth choosing. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, stands essentially act as your main combat kit. Each stand's going to have its own abilities and mechanics, which means that you could fight, and the way that you fight change completely depending on which stand you're actually using. Now, because of that, not every stand is actually equally strong. Some stands are going to be way better in the current meta than others, and right now, most players consider the strongest to be the World High Voltage, Star Platinum, Sea Moon, and Made in Heaven. Let's start with the World High Voltage and Star Platinum because these two stands are very similar in terms of performance. Both are close-range brawler stands that specialize in strong melee combat. They deal a ton of damage up close, but they also have a few abilities that allow them to attack from medium or long range when needed. Star Platinum has the powerful ability that is called Awakening, and it can do a huge burst of damage during fights. Meanwhile, the World High Voltage usually has a more consistent moveset, especially because of the time stop ability, which lets you attack enemies while they can't move. These stands are super strong in 1v1 fights, but they're not always the best when fighting large groups of enemies. Next up though, we have Sea Moon, which is much more versatile than the previous stands and performs well in really any different situation. One of the biggest advantages is the combo potential. Many of the abilities apply stun or knockback effects, which allow you to chain multiple moves together. One of the most useful abilities in its kit though is Gravity Barrier, which can push enemies away while dealing damage. This is super useful in both offensive and defensive situations, especially when fighting multiple enemies. But finally though, we have Made in Heaven, which is widely considered the strongest stand in the entire game, at least right now. It's obtained by evolving Sea Moon, and it improves many of the mechanics that Sea Moon already had that made it strong, but it focuses heavily on mobility and combo pressure. Abilities like light speed and acceleration allow you to move quickly around the battlefield and extend combos after knocking enemies away. Because of this, Made in Heaven can constantly pressure opponents and keep them from recovering during fights. Overall, there's a bunch of different stands here in Bizarre Lineage that are good, but when it comes to raw combat potential and versatility, Made in Heaven is the top of the meta. If this guide did help you out and clear things up, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point that this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.